Hey everyone, today we'll explore the differences between chia seeds and basil or sabja seeds. They are often believed to be the same. While some of you may know that they are different, many are often confused about which one to consume as each has its own unique benefits. When comparing the two, you'll notice distinct differences in appearance. Chia seeds are small and oval-shaped with a shiny, smooth texture. They can range in color from white to black, but most commonly they are a dark brown color. On the other hand, basil seeds are small and round with a matte texture. They are black in color and have a slightly wrinkled appearance. Both seeds offer nutritional benefits, but chia seeds are sometimes considered more beneficial due to their higher content of omega-3 fats. Omega-3 fats are essential for our overall health. Unfortunately, our bodies can't produce them on their own, so we need to get them from our diet. Chia seeds contain more than double the amount of omega-3 fats compared to basil seeds. These omega-3 fats help stabilize blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and improve heart health. Additionally, chia seeds promote energy and endurance. On the other hand, basil seeds, also known as sabja seeds, function well as a diuretic and aid digestion. They are one of the best coolants for the body, making them particularly beneficial in the summer season. Basil seeds also helps combat acidity and relieve constipation. Now, answering a few questions about the seeds. One of the most frequently asked questions is whether basil seeds can be consumed in place of chia seeds. Basil seeds are a little larger than chia seeds but have a similar nutritional profile. The most notable differences are that chia seeds contain more than twice the omega-3 fats but slightly less fiber compared to basil seeds. Additionally, basil seeds have a higher percentage of calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are beneficial for bone health. So yes, basil seeds are a good alternative to chia seeds. Can you consume chia seeds and basil seeds together? Both chia seeds and basil seeds are edible, nutritious, and commonly used in various dishes. Consuming them together offers a blend of nutrients and textures. Since both types of seeds absorb liquid and expand when soaked, it's best to soak them before eating to avoid digestive issues. Including both chia seeds and basil seeds together in your diet can be beneficial. However, it's wise to start with small quantities to observe how your body responds. So which one is better? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a seed that's high in omega-3 fats, go for chia seeds. If you want a seed that's rich in antioxidants and has a cooling effect on the body, then basil seeds are the way to go. In terms of taste, both seeds are relatively neutral and won't overpower the flavor of your food or drink. Overall, both chia and basil seeds have their own unique benefits and uses. It's really up to you to decide which one works best for your lifestyle and dietary needs. However, it's important to note that relying solely on basil or chia seeds isn't enough for a healthy diet. For the best results with these seeds, make sure to pair them with a balanced and nutritious eating plan. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments which seed you prefer and how you like to use it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.